TV Diaspora.
Good afternoon. We're here at the New York State Fairgrounds in upstate New York, beautiful Syracuse, New York. We're here for the Syracuse Nationals, the largest car show event in the Northeast. Let's go inside and see what it's all about. They got music, they got food, they got beautiful cars. Let's go check it out. Here we are at the entrance, the main entrance. We have the 21st anniversary merch here. We're gonna go inside, see what everything's about. Hello here. We're here at the Syracuse Nationals. We're at the New York State Fairgrounds at a car show, the Syracuse Nationals, largest car show event in the Northeast. We're here with, what's your name?
Seitz.
What's your name?
Jay.
Jay.
Seitz.
We're here with Jay. He's got a beautiful car behind us here. Do you want to tell us a little bit about the car, sir? How long have you been doing this?
So I bought the car in '07. It was gold and looked like a grandpa car.
Yeah.
I bought it. I wanted a '64, so like a Dr. Dre,
Yeah.
64.
Yep.
Couldn't find one. Found the '65. Bought it because it was a rag top.
Yep.
So broke the car 2 weeks after I bought it, which then I had to take it off the frame to fix it.
Yep.
And the rest is kind of history. It took me 8 years to build the car.
8 years. Wow.
8 years to build.
Did you do all the work yourself?
No. So I have a really good friend of mine who's an amazing body guy. I started off with a car. I bought a welder. Didn't know what I was doing. Started welding floors in the car, and
Yeah.
then I met my buddy, and he took over all the body work. My brother-in-law is an amazing painter. He painted the car.
Yep.
And
So
it
what
just kinda all worked
what year
out.
is the car?
So it's a 1965 Chevy Impala.
Nice.
It's originally a 283 car. It's got a 350, 330 horse GM Performance crate engine in it now.
Wow.
The original motor was just whooped, so it didn't make sense to keep it. The cool thing about the car is actually, if you notice on the column, this is actually a stick. So this is actually
Is it really?
This is a 3-on-the-tree manual
Oh, wow.
car, which is really rare.
Yeah, that's- yep.
Everybody tore them out and put a 4-speed in the car. So it's kind of rare.
One of a kind for you then,
I don't
yeah.
have to worry about anybody stealing it because they can't drive it. So
That
that's
is
kind of
true,
cool.
yeah. So do you drive it on the daily like this
No,
anywhere? No, you just solely for car shows
Pretty
then?
much just car shows. I live in Clay, New York, which is
Clay,
only
yes.
15 minutes away. So
Nice.
shows like this are convenient.
First year here, or have you been
No,
here
I've
before?
been here since 2016 when the car was finished.
Really? Wow.
So
every year you come here?
Every year since 2016, I've been coming. And I got picked from the local radio station, K-Rock, to
Yep.
represent their showstopper
Wow.
car this year. So that's why I'm right by the main gate.
Yeah,
Which is
right in
pretty
the
cool
right
on
in the
there.
front. Yeah.
A lot of
As soon as
attention.
someone comes in, that first
Yeah.
car you see for sure.
Absolutely.
It's a
Lot of
beautiful car.
attention.
Beautiful
Thank
car.
you very
Well, hey,
much.
thank you so
Yeah,
much.
absolutely. It was very nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
you too, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name?
Jeff Luce.
Jeff Luce. Otto. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jeff. So what do
Camera guy never gets a shout out. How
Jasmine,
you
yes, sir.
How you doing, Jasmine?
So what do you guys do? You guys, you said you have a car
Yeah,
club?
we're a local club. We've been around since 2008. We run a weekly car cruise. This is our big thing.
What's the name of the club?
Maple Road Boys.
Maple Road Boys. Is it like the shirt? Nice, nice. So which one is yours here specifically?
67 GTO. I bought in 1979.
The red one there?
Yep, 1979. I bought it.
Nice.
$700.
Wow, really?
People said, "What was it? A basket case?" I said, "No, the paint was a little faded because back in the '70s you could buy a car for $600-700 that ran."
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Everybody
Did you do the
wanted-
work yourself, or do you have
Pretty
someone
much,
else?
yep. My son painted it, but it's an old paint job. But I got about 9 other cars I bought. When I got married, I had 7 cars from the 70s.
Yep.
My wife said we have to sell cars, so I sold one. My 67 Chevelle, I still got the other 6.
Nice, nice.
So,
Nice.
and
Is
then
this I imagine this isn't your first show. Then you've been here, a few times.
Yeah, I've been here every show, but I've been a car. I brought my first car out that I got done in 2006. So.
Nice. Okay. Nice. Nice. So tell me a little bit about your car, if you wouldn't mind. What year is it?
67 GTO, 400 automatic. Like I said, I paid $700. Bought it for my brother. He was moving to St. Louis.
Yep.
It ran. The paint was faded. It was a purple color. I put a Ford Taurus red on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
My son painted it. This is my son's '69 Camaro. He bought one.
The black and gold one. Yep.
bought
So
one
is that your favorite car then, out of the 6 that you have?
I got a '69 Camaro Indy Pace car that's been sitting in my garage since 1982.
Wow, nice.
Had 4 kids. Now I got 13 grandkids. Some of the grandkids
13,
got
huh?
cars now.
Yeah,
They're
nice.
10 and 12. They got cars.
Okay.
My son did this when he was 12. He redid the whole thing, finished it when he was 23. He's like 36 now.
He did the work himself on this one
He
as
does
well?
all the painting and everything. He does.
You guys are pretty mechanic savvy then, I see. Yep.
My daughter's got a car. She wanted a car. I got another daughter's got a car.
So is this whole row all you
From the
guys?
International down. It's just we've got 38 members in the club, and we brought 13 cars out.
Wow, that's awesome. Very nice.
So,
Well,
I guess
perfect.
so.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I see another Maple Road boy, and that's Rick.
That's Rick. All right, awesome.
I just want to let you know, Rick was doing wheelies, showing off for everybody, and he tipped over backwards and hurt himself.
On
the
that thing?
screws. Yeah, so that's why you're not supposed to screw around.
Yeah, right now.
Right in the middle of like 1,000 people, he does.
Oh no, that's.
Other than that, that's great. I'm glad you guys do this stuff
Yeah,
like
of
this.
course.
It helps get the car stuff out and around.
Yeah, it helps get the word around. Of course, this is our first year here. We haven't been here before, so
good.
I haven't heard of it.
There's
Surprisingly.
plenty of places you can do interviews. At
Yeah.
least we're local. There's got to be other people from different states and stuff too. but-
Absolutely. Well, thank you. Hey,
So
appreciate
what's
it.
the name of the YouTube channel?
TV Diaspora. Trump, are you having a good time at the Syracuse National? Well said. Thank you.
Joe Dilks from
Joe.
Ottawa, New Jersey.
Nice to meet you, Joe. So this is your car, I assume, then, yeah?
Yes.
You want to tell me a little bit about the car? What year is it?
It's
what
a
model?
71 DJ5 Jeep postal mail truck.
Oh,
an old mail truck.
Really? An old mail truck.
Oh, it's got a good story too. Lady that did 40 years of service in Oklahoma with it.
Mm-hmm.
Her son built this for her and gave it to her at SEMA. Then it went to the auction. That's when I got it. But it's been around.
Really? So have
Yeah.
you done any work on it yourself, or?
We had to redo the whole thing over.
Really?
Yeah, new wheels, new graphics, carburetors, a lot of stuff.
Yeah, for sure. Is this your first show then, or have
No,
you've been
no.
here?
Yeah, I've been
here a
coming
while.
for 15 years.
Nice.
Yeah. Try and bring a new one every year.
New one every year?
Try.
You have more than just this one car
Yeah.
then, or you do? How many cars do you have?
I got 3 right now.
3?
Yeah.
They all old school classic cars?
Pretty much Camaro
Yeah.
and a Chevelle and this.
Camaro and a Chevelle.
Mhm.
Beautiful. And so I assume this one has a big sentimental value to you then, huh?
No,
No?
not really. It's just different. I like different. I'm tired of having the same thing.
Yeah, for sure. Yep, it's definitely different. I'll tell you that much. It looks a lot different
It's a
than
lot
anything
of,
else.
lot of good laughs out of it.
Yep.
Fun. definitely fun.
For sure,
One
for
of
sure.
one. But it is for sale if anybody wants to buy it.
You're selling it.
Yeah.
What are you
It is.
pricing this thing at? I'm curious.
50K
50K
with the trailer.
with the trailer.
Mm-hmm.
Is it drivable?
Yeah.
Road legal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's registered and insured. Yeah.
Really?
If you got enough nerve to drive it, that's a different story.
It's a special kind of buyer for this type of car.
Yeah,
for sure. you know?
positively.
Yeah, special kind of buyer. But perfect,
But it is
man.
fun.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
man.
sir.
Yeah,
no
thank
problem. What are you on now? Where do I find it?
Right here, TV Diaspora. We're on YouTube.
Yeah, you know, well, you're on. Look this up, you'll see it. It used to be called, if you look up that on there, you'll see this truck come up. It didn't have the stripe, it didn't have the wheels.
Yeah.
It was different, but you'll see it.
Yeah, we just started. What was your name again?
John Wayne Volkmer.
John Wayne Volkmer. How you doing, man? Thank
Good.
you. You want to tell me a little bit about your car here?
Well, it belonged to my father. He built it with another gentleman by the name of David Hebram. And they built it, painted it, put it together. It is fully custom. The only thing original is the metal.
Yep.
It's got a custom frame from Heinzman Hot Rods in Nebraska.
Wow.
Ford 9-inch 4-link, coilover shocks, Willwood brakes, LS3 motor. It's got a 4L60E transmission, catskin leather, vintage air,
Yep. Yep.
power windows,
Power windows, huh?
Yeah.
What year is this thing?
1939 Ford Standard.
Ford Standard, 1939. Beautiful. And is this your first car show with this car, or?
No, we were here last year.
You were here last year?
I did 23 car shows last year.
Did you?
Got
Have you won any
9
awards with this thing yet?
9 trophies last year.
Wow, just last year.
Just last year.
Holy,
Yep.
so you go everywhere with this thing, huh?
I do.
You
I
drive
have
it,
a
or
covered
you put it
trailer.
on the trailer? You put it on the
Covered
trailer.
yeah.
Yep. Yep.
If it's close, I will. I'll definitely drive it. But we've got all the stuff, the canopy chairs. It just won't fit in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course.
But,
of course.
Yeah, you got the whole moonshine theme going here.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. So is this your? Are you local here? Do you live by here? Or?
I live in Herkimer. It's about an hour and a half.
Herkimer. Yeah, we're from Utica.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we're right down the
Nice.
road from each other. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Cool.
Beautiful car.
All right. What's your name, sir?
Carl Newman.
Carl Newman. Is this your car right here?
Yep.
You want to tell me a little bit about the car, year, make, model, how you got it?
Yeah, so it's a 1982 DeLorean DMC 12. And I got this one like 6 years ago. It's my second DeLorean. And, that was my car back in the day.
Yeah.
And at one time I thought, yeah, you know what, I'm going to switch up. I'm going to get another car because a lot of these guys around here switch their cars.
Yeah.
I looked into it and decided, nope, the DeLorean's my car. So got a second one and have enjoyed it ever since. Like coming to the car show and,
Is this your first car show?
No. I come here every year.
You come here every year?
Yeah.
How long have you been coming here since?
Like 10 years now.
10 years now?
Yeah.
Same car every time, or do you have any other cars?
No, just the DeLorean.
Just the DeLorean?
Yeah,
nice. So that's your pride and joy then, I
Yeah,
assume,
it is.
right?
It is.
Yeah.
I decided that's my forever car.
That's your forever car?
Yeah.
Do you drive it like this on the road, or?
I drive it a lot. If it doesn't rain, I drive it.
Yeah, I got you. So it is road legal. You have it registered and all that
Yeah,
stuff. Nice.
This car from the movie Back to the Future?
Well, this is the car they made into the Back to the Future vehicle, but it's clearly not one of the Back to the Future movie cars.
Not the original.
Yeah.
It's is it stainless steel?
It is. It's a stainless steel skin over top of a fiberglass underbody underneath it. So the steel is actually kind of a skin.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what about the engine? What do you have?
So the engine is a Peugeot, Renault, Volvo. It's a PRV 6, so it's a V6 engine.
V6, yeah.
And it was used in other cars, but DeLorean used it because he couldn't get a power plant.
Yep.
From an American provider, because he built this car in Dunmurry, Ireland.
Ireland?
Yeah.
That's where this one was built specifically? Or?
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, that's where they were all built.
Yeah.
And that's
interesting. Very interesting. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
man.
thanks, man.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you. What's your name, sir?
Steve Goodfellow.
Steve Goodfellow. This your car, I assume, here?
Yes, it is.
You want to tell me a little bit about it? What year, make, model, how you got it?
Well, it started as a 1986 Pontiac Fiero and stripped off the body on it, took the engine out, put a guy in Florida made part of the kit, the body panels on it, and then he got sick and stopped. So I took what he had, put it on here, made a couple extra panels, and created this.
So you did some work on it yourself then?
I did all the work.
All the work.
All the mistakes you see are mine.
All the mistakes?
Yeah.
Are you local here? Do you live around here? Or?
Yeah, right in Manlius.
Manlius, okay. So
Yeah.
you're pretty close then.
Yeah.
This your first Syracuse National Car Show, or have you been here before?
No, we've been here for, 15 years or so, all different cars.
Yep.
Yeah.
Do you own more than this car, or is this your own?
Yep. I have a barn with about 9 of them in there.
9 of them?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Is it all old school classic type cars, or?
All across the board. 65 Cobra, 66 Catalina convertible, 69 Chevelle. Took 2 newer Beetles.
Yep.
And cut them up and made them into pickup trucks.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. So do
Yeah.
you just take this one to car shows, or do you take your other cars as well?
The other ones.
You switch around then?
Yeah.
Is this your favorite, I assume?
Actually, a couple that are in the works are going to be the favorite.
Yeah.
I have a 67 C10 pickup.
Okay.
Should come out nice.
Now, how did you get this car?
Well, I bought the car, the original Fiero, for $800.
Wow.
And it was just a normal Fiero.
What year did you buy it?
That was probably 6 years ago or so, 7 years ago.
Gotcha.
Didn't run.
Did it have this paint job on it, or?
No, I
so
did
you did
yeah.
that? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it was your basic Fiero plain car. And,
Yep. Do you take it anywhere else, or just here?
We've been to the Adirondack Nationals.
I heard of that. Yeah, I had an interview with another guy. He mentioned that's one of the other big car shows in the area. Nice.
No, that's a real nice one.
Any awards you've gotten with this car yet, or?
We've some local cruise-ins and things we did, but you know, not something like this.
Nothing too big. Yeah, I got you. Perfect. Well, hey, thank you. Appreciate it, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. Beautiful, beautiful car.
Thank you.